So today I'm going to show you how to turn a boring ham into this delicious, succulent, hot honey glazed ham. It looks absolutely amazing. So welcome back, my name is Lee. I do a lot of from scratch cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to elevate this wonderful ham this Christmas. So each year I buy a ham. Even though I live alone, I love to buy a ham and I like to kind of like improve it a little bit. So the ham by itself like this, it's not bad. It's not bad, but it doesn't taste absolutely amazing. So I like to elevate it every single time. So last year I did a very easy baked marmalade ham, and that turns out absolutely amazing. I'm gonna do something a little bit different this year. So this year I thought I'd do a really easy honey baked ham in the smoker, but then I thought I could really elevate this. I've got some hot honey here, and I think that is gonna go absolutely amazing on this ham. So probably not appropriate for the kids and everything, but this is just for me. So we're gonna do something a little bit different. And I'm gonna do this in the smoker because I love the smoky taste that it imparts into the actual ham. Now, if you don't have a smoker, don't worry too much. You can just sit in the oven. And if you really want that smoky taste, you could always buy some liquid smoke. Some supermarkets sell that, and you can add a couple of tablespoons to your glaze and that'll make it absolutely amazing. Or the other thing is some supermarkets also sell a double smoked ham, which will have that a real smoky taste to it, and I think that would be absolutely amazing as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go set up the smoker. So I'm going to use my gas smoker, and it's just a really cheap one. I think it was like $90 from Aldi on clearance, and it does the job. So I'm going to go set that up and I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, so here's my smoker. It does the job. So first I'm going to fill up the water reservoir. And then for the smoking chips, I'm going to use some apple wood. I think that'll go really good with the ham. And then I'm just going to light this. And we want to get this heat into about 150 degrees Celsius, so I've got it pretty low there. And I'm just going to put my other racks back on here. All right, we're just going to let that preheat while we prep the ham. So while the smoke is heating up, we're going to prep the ham. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the wrapper. I'm actually going to take the skin off because I don't find the skin very appealing, and I find you get a better product when you do take that off. And then we're going to dress it up a little bit, and then we're going to get it into the smoker. Now, if you're not using a smoker, you can just use your oven and preheat that to 160 degrees Celsius. You don't want it too hot, or else it is going to dry out very quickly. Taking off all the skin. So what you do is you're going to have your kind of like white fat here and then your actual skin. So what you want to do is just get your finger under that bit of skin and you just want to tease it off just until it comes off. And I've just left this little bit here just to make it nice and easy for us to handle, so we're not getting our hands like sticky or anything like that. As I said, I thought I was recording, but the camera sometimes do silly things. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put a nice crisscross on our ham, and this is going to help absorb all that delicious glaze. So what I've done is I've just put a clove in each of these little crosses, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. Completely optional, but I think it looks really nice. So now I'm going to show you how to make a really easy glaze. So we're going to make a hot honey glazed ham. And look, if you don't want to make a hot honey one, just use some normal honey and it's going to turn out absolutely amazing still. And then we're going to glaze a ham and we're going to get it into the smoker. So this year I was just going to do a really easy honey glazed ham in the smoker. Now, I thought I'd take it one step extra and I thought this tastes absolutely amazing. I have some hot honey to use up. So I thought, how about a delicious hot honey glazed ham for this delicious ham? So for the glaze, all I'm going to use is some of this hot honey. So this is just honey with some habanero chili in it. I'm going to put some Dijon mustard and then some brown sugar, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and that's it. Pretty easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I just have a saucepan here. We're just going to just dissolve all these ingredients together. So we just need to warm it up. You could probably just do this in the microwave as well. I'm going to go with half a cup brown sugar. I have my hot honey here. It was a bit crystallized, so I'll just put it into the microwave. I'm going to add maybe a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This isn't a recipe or anything, I'm kind of just winging this. And also I'm just going to go with just a little bit of apple cider vinegar just to give it a bit of acidity as well. Maybe about a tablespoon. And then what I have here is just some regular honey here as well. I just had to use up. So I'm just going to add this as well. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat this on medium-low just until all the sugar has melted and everything is combined. All right, so now all this sugar and the honey is all melted down. It's all consistent. I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt. And that's it. I'm just going to put that aside. So I have our wonderful glaze here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour just a little bit on. And then we're just going to brush this all over the top here. All these sugars are just going to caramelize beautifully in the smoker, as well as imparting a beautiful smoke flavor to this. It's going to be absolutely amazing. All right, so now we're going to get this beautiful thing into the smoker, and I'm going to smoke this until it reaches 60 degrees Celsius. And that's what you should be doing for reheating. And what I'm going to do is about every half an hour, I'm going to add that glaze onto this, and it's going to turn out absolutely amazing. So I'm going to smoke this at about 150 degrees Celsius, so not too hot, but we're going to get a beautiful smoke into this ham, and we're also going to get that wonderful caramelized glaze on top, which is going to be absolutely amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that glaze about every half an hour. I don't want to open the smoker too much because we're going to let out all that wonderful smoke and everything. And it should take about 2 hours to do. And then once it reaches 60 degrees Celsius, and then we can cool it down. Now, you don't have to do this on the day of Christmas. If you're doing it for Christmas, you can do this maybe 2 days prior. And then what you can do is you can keep this in the fridge and it's still gonna be absolutely amazing. So I'll see you later when we're ready to try it out. So I smoked it for about 2 hours, and then every half an hour I basted it with the actual glaze. And then in the last half an hour, I really cranked the temperature up to about 180 degrees in the smoker, just so that I could actually caramelize all the sugar and everything a lot better, and it looks absolutely amazing. So let's slice it into it and let's see how it is. All right, let's give this ham a go. It looks absolutely amazing. Okay, honestly, it's absolutely amazing. So firstly, you get the smoke from the smoker, and I think when you buy them from the supermarket, they're not smoky enough in my opinion. You can get a double smoked one, but they're pretty expensive, so I like to do it myself. And you can really taste that smoke now, so it tastes absolutely amazing. And then you got that sweetness from the honey, and then you got that just little afterburn from the hot honey, which is the habaneros in it, which habaneros is like a nice warming chili if you use it sparingly, which tastes absolutely amazing. So I hope you give this a go. It tastes absolutely amazing, and I think it would go great on anyone's table for Christmas. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye. This ham is so good. I don't think I'm going to stop eating it. It's absolutely amazing.